Good afternoon, guys. It is now 2:27 and it is the 5th of December 2024, and I have yet another mini brands with Disney, Pixar and Marvel Star Wars, but this one is the Disney 100 mini brands. There is 50 plus limited edition platinum minis to find. We have a little code there if you can read that amongst all my glare. Don't know how to hold this without the glare. There. Very cute, very light. Not for kids under the age of 3. There's our zippy. Made from recycled plastic. The balls are really nice silvery colour. I'm not sure how many you get in this one. Doesn't say, does it? Anyway, this one was purchased by me a couple of hours ago, and this one cost, let me have a look at my cheat sheet here. Disney mini brands, mini brands. Oh, this was only $10, so not bad. I'm not sure what they are normally. I have not actually got my hands on one of these guys before, so this is a new one for me. So let's get into it because I'm keen to see what it's like. I opened a lot of mini brands this week. A collector case and a mini brand ball. So another one. Oh, it's like split. Come on, little zipper. The ball's not silver. The ball is white and it's got silver underneath. So let's go again. No, not going to zip up properly. Okay, come on, little zipper. Okay, let's see what we got. Another number written underneath there. Okay, so there's our little cheat sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Disney mini brand. Oh wow, he's silver or platinum. Platinum is silver, right? Can you guys see that? If I get it sort of out of the light, it's very reflective. It's got like holographic design. Very shiny. Very cute. And as with the regular ones, about 3.5 centimeters. Undo. Oh wow, look at that one. Oh yeah. So that would be Hawkeye from Avengers bow and arrow? No, not sure. Maybe, I think so. Not sure that the girls in from the Hawkeye series has got a bow and arrow in one of these series. I think it's just Hawkeye himself. What's her name? Was it Bishop or something? Think about that one. Oh wow, he's cute. Good old Sully. See a little Boo in the background there. Again, I'm sorry about the glare. Whoops. But all the cardboard and packaging is very holographic, very, very shiny. Sorry guys. I might have to do a video in natural sunlight, see if that will work. At the moment I'm sort of hiding in a darkened corner away from the family. Oh, that one's a bit of a funky shape. Flynn Rider. Ooh, from Tangled. Again, all in platinum, silver, shiny, Very reflective. Very cute. Okie dokie. And lucky last. I know who we're going to get this time. So we've got in Star Wars, we've got Marvel, we've got Pixar. That one, I'm not sure who does Tangled. Okay, and a empty box with a Mickey kitchen on it. Very cute. Just give me a sec, I'll be right back.